What up guys, in today's video we are going to review an exchange that I would give an A rating. Now the trading fee on this exchange is 0.06%. This is about the lowest you can find anywhere. Now if you're in Nigeria, it is also a great exchange to use. You can easily get your naira into the exchange and out of the exchange into your bank account through the P2P, and I will be showing you how to do that. There is also $5 for grabs. The instruction will come at the end of this video, so make sure you watch to the end. Now the name of this exchange is Witex. The exchange is powered by OKX, thus you should expect the same level or quality of security you get when using OKX. The other thing that we are going to be looking at include how to deposit crypto in Witex, how to trade on Witex in the spot market, and of course in the futures market. So if you're ready, let's get to this video. The first thing you do on Witex is to create an account. There is a link in the description. It's my affiliate link. Make sure you use that link to sign up. So when you click on the link, you enter your email address here and click on Get Started. Then enter a password and click on Sign Up. Enter the 6-digit code sent to your email and click on Continue. That is it, guys. That is how you create an account on Witex. Now let's look at the menu. So we have buy crypto here, market, sports, perpetual, futures, margin, option, my request, assets, my profile, and this over here. So if you click on buy crypto, so buy crypto is where you can use your naira to buy a Bitcoin, USDT, Ethereum, and other assets directly, right? So it's a way for you to get your naira from your bank account into Witex. I can do that using the P2P or the Express, and I'll be coming to show you exactly how you do this. The next one is the market. Now when you click on that, the market is where all the cryptocurrency pair are listed, right? Now there are over 400 cryptocurrency pair on the Witex spot market. You can actually filter this by the top, the meme, the GameFi, blockchain, layer 2, and so on and so forth. And not only this, you also have the futures market, the perpetual swap, the margin, option, index. So let me quickly explain this. The perpetual swap is futures that don't have an expiry date. They are perpetually open until you close it in profit or loss, or you get liquidated. While futures here have an expiry date. It can be weekly, bi-weekly, quarterly, or even bi-quarterly. This future, for example, will expire on the 25th of February. So this one expires on the 4th of March. Okay, the next item on the menu is sports. This is where you enter the actual spot market. So if you look here, you will see that we are in the Litecoin, which is LTC USDT market. In other words, you can buy Litecoin with USDT. So on the left column, you have different markets. So I can quickly search for the market I want. Say I want to search for BTC, yeah? So I can quickly search for BTC and go to the BTC USDT market. You can see that this has changed to BTC USDT. So this is the market again on the left column. So the center here is the chat room, so you can conduct your technical analysis here. And on the right column is the order book. So you see the sellers and the buyers here. And if you go down, that is where you can do the actual buying and selling. So this way you buy BTC, you enter the parameters here, and buy BTC, or you enter the parameters here and sell BTC. So this is the trade room. Now the next item on the menu is perpetual, right? So if you go to perpetual, you can see that the layout is also similar to that of the spot market. So if you go here, you see BTC USD PEP, which is the perpetual market, right? Or the perpetual trade room. Now after that, you have futures, margin, and option. They're all similar. They're all trade room to this respective trading type. If you go to the far right, you see my request. This is where you track the activities of your Witex.io accounts. And after that, you have my asset. So my asset is your wallet, where you have the cryptos you have on Witex. All right. Now you have overview, and overview, it shows you all the summary of all the crypto you have on Witex, while the funding account is where you send and receive crypto from. The trading account is where you actually trade from. Now, so what I'm trying to say is that what the crypto you want to use to trade, you will have it in your trading account. The ones you want to send and receive is in your funding account, and the overview shows you the sum of the two of them. Now, after that, you have my profile here, and my profile shows you, yes, overview of your profile, security setting, where you set all your security. I strongly suggest that you enable two-factor authentication to make your account really secure. Now, this is where you can verify your account and follow the verification process. You should also verify your account before you can actually trade on the P2P market. Then your preferences, and here you can create a sub account. And after that, you have where you can actually change your language setting, right? And your local currency. This one by default is on USD. So guys, this video, if I continue, is going to get too long, but I've not done the practical yet. So what I'm going to do is to take a break. I'll break this video into 2 videos. Now, this is the first part. The next part, I will show you how to trade in the P2P market, that is getting your naira into the exchange and out of the exchange, and also how to trade in the spot market, and how to manage your wallet, like your asset, how to move between the funding wallet to the trading wallet and all that. I'll be leaving a link to that video in the description. As a matter of fact, when releasing this video, that video is already released. So guys, if you've not subscribed, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next video. And most importantly, you should give this video a like. It is really important. If you're watching this video right now, give it a like. Like I said, the part 2 is already released and it is in the description. And I'll be showing you how you can claim the $5, the 5 USDT I talked about in the part 2 of this video. See you there, guys.